I have a very serious concern, and it is if the commissioner of the police force, who is the head of the law enforcement arm of the government, don't know or comprehend properly what the Road Traffic Act states and where his power starts and where it ends. How the rest of the constable them, the little minion them are gonna know. So Blake, no, you're new as commissioner, but you're supposed to know them things before you turn commissioner, my boss. Swear.
And so because the act didn't explicitly say that the police has a power to stop, as the JCF Act says in terms of stop and search and the conditions under which you stop and search, because the Road Traffic Act speaks to your responsibility as a motorist. And so you will not win if a police stop you to check your document if you choose to, and to what end? To what end? It doesn't make sense. But as I said before, I won't be commenting as to what is wrong or right. I'm just giving you the facts, because even though it seems clear, I still have asked for legal advice.